consists of n nodes labeled from 1 to n. A star graph is a graph where there is one center node and exactly n-1 edges that connect the center node with every other node. You are given 2D integer array edges where h u v indicates there is edge between u and v. Return the center of the given star graph. So we have 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4, 2. And yeah, so if we will check all these connections, we can find the center. Another example, this one. So we have, so to understand, so first understand we have connection 1, 2, then 5, 1, and then here it will be connection between 3, and also another connection like this one of 4. So we see that the center is actually a node with all other connections in these both cases. But what if we have, for example, this node? Yeah. And they both connect to 1. They both connected to 1. Okay, and in this case, what we can do, okay, so we have n edges n-1. Given edges represent valid star graph. Star graph. So if it's star graph, like if we will consider only one dimension, right? If we consider only one dimension, two and three, maybe we can have like hash map where we can check how many connections have each node, and if it has all other connection -1, then we can have like our center node. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. So these both connections 1, 2, 2, 1. So if we have, for example, hash map, where, for example, for 1, we can consider connection with 2, right? For 2, we can consider connections with 1, 3, and 4. For 3, we can consider connection with 2. For 4, connection with 2. So the node with maximum connections, it's actually would be our result. So let's try to implement it. So we have new hash map of map integer map. Then we iterate over our edges and map put edge 0, map get edge 0, or it will be not integer. Yeah, so this connection would be unique, right? So we can have maybe counter. So map edge, map get or default 0 plus 1. And the same we will do for this one. And after this, we just iterate through our map case set, integer k, int maximum, and max key 0, 0, or -1. 0 will be no. Okay, so here if our map get by key is greater than maximum, then we update our maximum with map get by key, and also max key would be key, and we return our max key. Let's run. And submit. Okay, so we are done. So what we do actually, so we consider all connections, and the node with maximum connection would be our star node. Let's check. So return if equal or reading the description careful helps here. Basically, a central node must appear in every edge. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Cache table probably. Yeah. Yeah, so that's actually the solution that I did. I did the solutions, but yeah, maximum. It exists much more better. Okay, thank you very much. We solved, but not optimally. Bye.